Alright guys, just finished filming my last video, braised beef video, so here it is. Really rich, deep developed sauce. Lamb is super tender. So now we're gonna make what I would call a skillet pie. Let's get cracking. I'm gonna get polenta, which is basically like cornmeal, and we'll go from there. Polenta is very straightforward. You just gotta know the ratios. 1 part polenta, 3 to 4 parts liquid. Start heating up our pan. Wait, that's some extra, but it's all good. My kid seems to like it. We'll go for 3.5 to 1 ratio. Polenta is one of those things you have to stir, kind of like a risotto. Oh, look at that. It just falls apart. Let's put some of the sauce in there. Beautiful sauce. Mix that up and see. When it's braised, I think lamb shank is better than roast lamb or a rack of lamb. So luxurious. That's looking nice for our base layer. Remember, it's quite rich. It's only for 2 people. Boom! Got some extra herbs here. Give it a nice little zing. A little bit of nutmeg. White pepper. Goes really well with cream sauces. Just take it off the heat for a second while we grate our parm. The parmesan is going to give a nice umami, savory note to the polenta. You may have noticed I haven't added any salt yet. That's because I'll start with the parm and then I'll re-season from there. The lamb itself is also quite well seasoned. Okay, so there's our parm. So we're hitting convection oven now. Cream. We're whisking in our cold butter and lots of parm. Just adding the last of my milk here just to loosen it up a bit. A bit more parm. That should be good. There's a polenta. Okay, pinch of sea salt. That's it. Try and get it nice and level. I have this kashkaval cheese here. Made from sheep's milk. It's kind of morbid. We got the lamb here, and we got the mama's milk. Quite similar to cheddar. To make sure everything is evenly distributed. You don't need that much. Remember, this dish is already very rich. Now the final step, add polenta. This is real fat guy shit. Let me tell you. A nice way to get everything to kind of flatten out a bit. So there it is. We'll let it just set a little bit while the oven heats up, and then we'll get it in. Okay guys, so you can see it's set now. Heat's gonna make it liquidy again, but I like to put it in when it's set. Make sure you have a tray underneath to catch any of the bubbling cheese and oil. It's 8:25, we'll check it in about 20 minutes. In about 20 minutes. That's what we're working with. I reckon by 9 o'clock we'll be ready. And we're live, we're back. Alright guys, 9 o'clock, just coming out. I was in the middle of something, but I would have pulled it out just a couple minutes earlier. Fucking mute. Let's get it on. Oh yeah, dude. No nothing. Shit, look at that. Let's give it a taste. So like a moussaka, you might want to let it sit a bit, just to set. But but you'll see the polenta already does kind of firm up in the oven. I don't think it's entirely necessary. See, you guys don't have smell-o-vision, so you don't know, but this shit is so fucking good. I need a good thumbnail too. Let me get that in the background. Oh boy! Excited. Labor of love. Man, that's so good. Just delicious. So good. That's real cold weather food, you know? So you guys have to hear me eat. Kenji, I love you, but the eating is fucking awful. It's fun to bring to a table. Nice hot skillet like that. And if it's not too greasy in the bottom, you can put it on a folded tea towel and it looks really nice. People will keep helping themselves to it if you're eating it family style, and it stays hot because of the skillet. Polenta is quite a nuisance. When you serve it, it sets really quick. You really want to heat up your plates beforehand. So this is a really nice way to kind of mitigate that issue. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat this with the missus. So I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy. Happy cooking.